look here.
Yeah, the Negombo Beach. It's arrived.
Then put the clutch and first gear up. Slowly release the clutch and slowly need to gas. Okay. Then we can forward.